Lusenko Painting and Decorating YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do paint stripping. In order to do that, you need a strong gun for that. I'm using Mach 4, and this is a tip size maximum for this spray gun, and the tip size is 433. So this is the maximum size that I can go with this spray gun, and I can spray paint stripper effectively. So in order to do this with the spray gun, there's a few things that you need to do before you start spraying. The first thing is you need to replace the hose. You gotta put brand new hose. You cannot use hose that's been used for painting. Very important, if you use the hose that you paint before with, the paint stripper will clog, because it will paint strip all the paint inside the hose, and that's why it will clog on the tip, and it's gonna be a nightmare. So you have to replace, that's must, replace the hose, put the brand new hose so you can do job easily. And another thing to do is take out the filters. In this case I'm using a gun that doesn't have a filter inside the handle, but if you're using a gun with the filter inside the handle, you need to remove that filter as well. So you have to remove all the filters from the spray gun in order to spray paint stripper. The product we're gonna use today is a Smart Strip. It's eco-friendly product. So guys, this is the job that we have to do. We have to remove the paint from these bricks on this wall here. As you can see, someone tried to blast it with high pressure gun, and we need to remove this wall as well, or not this paint from this wall, about 40 centimeters from the bottom on that wall there. So this is the job, and before you do any paint strip removing, safety is the key as well. So use the safety glasses and gloves, perhaps all the way to your elbows is the best option to go with. Just one more thing to mention is when you're applying paper and wool, just tap it gently so the paint stripper stays between the paper and the wall. So I'm just gonna continue covering up all these small pieces and then keep you updated with the progress later on when we start removing the paper and the old paint from the wood walls. Yeah guys, everything's finished now, so you can have a look what we have done. That's the wall, what we removed paint from it. There was no paint in this wall, there was a bit of waterproofing on it, it still come out good. That's the bottom of the wall. And that's how it looks in this corner. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe down below. Give us a like.